In this video, I'll show you how to solve Cloudflare error. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. The very first step you need to do, make sure you reboot your device. If it is your PC, your laptop, or your mobile, reboot it. Once you rebooted it, wait for it to turn on. So you can come on here and check to see that it's working. So this is it. Hi. So it's currently working now on my mobile, on my device. Then once you are done rebooting, if you are still having some issues and you love to solve it, what you need to do, open up your Chrome, click on this three dotted icon, click on settings, wait for it to open up, look for the privacy and security. So this is it. So click on save browsing. What you need to do now, turn on this save browsing to enhance protection. Turn it on to enhance protection. Once that's done, click on the done, go back, click on delete browsing history, click on time range, select the time range you want. Usually I can recommend 24 hours. Once you click on 24 hours, select it, click on browsing data, come on here, uncheck tabs, come on here, uncheck this. Then once you are done, click on the confirm. Then once you have clicked on the confirm, you need to go back and click on this done. Then everything would start working well for you. You can be able to reboot your phone and see that everything is now working fine and well. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.